they emigrated from a Shtetl, which for years I heard them refer to from time to time. It sounded something like Strelbich. And that's all I knew. And it was only when I got interested in our family background that I started to look into it and attempt to find where this mythical Strelbich was. At that point, I knew it was part of the Austro-Hungarian Empire at the time, the turn of the 20th century, but that's all I knew. And I never could quite find it. And it actually wasn't until I was working, as I've done from time to time, in London at the British Library, that I went up to the map room and asked to see if I could get a map of the area at about that time, which might have Strelbich in it, if I could further identify it. And the librarian was very good about it, and she quizzed me a little further, and she said, I'll do what I can to help you, but can you give me some more information about what exactly you're looking for and possibly why you're looking for it? And so I explained the circumstances. She said, I have a better idea, because she couldn't come up with anything that actually fits Strelbich. And there was a volume that she had there, and I don't remember exactly the name of it, but it was something to the effect, communities, Jewish communities having disappeared during the Holocaust. And since I knew roughly what the general area was, I honed in and I found something which turned out to be the right place. And I'm sure I'm mispronouncing it, but I'll do the best I can. Strzelbice. And it was such a wonderful feeling to somehow be able to identify it. And then, having done further research, I was able to confirm that that was the place.